Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we're looking at the mobile version of the Mentally Healthy Workplace module. This module is designed for members to regularly assess mental health related policies and procedures in the workplace and provides feedback and recommendations via a summary report, which is produced each time a new review is completed. Like all modules, the access and inclusions in this module vary according to individual user access levels that are controlled in the User Management module. However, for the purpose of this tutorial, we're seeing everything just as a workplace administrator would see it. The module features the same fundamental layout as the mobile version of all modules in the system. To complete a new submission, select the Add a New Record button. Each section of the form provides the option to preset all responses to not applicable, or each of the questions can be answered individually, yes, no, or not applicable. Each no response requires entry of comments actions in the space provided, and when submitted, all no responses will generate a task for later action as required. On completion, a summary report is emailed to the author and is also accessible within the Actions icon in the module list view. And that concludes this tutorial. For more information, please refer to the on-screen system help notes and tooltips. Thanks for watching.